What's up, Hamuzi Squad? We're doing a pack battle today. Actually, we're doing a 3-series 10 battle with Matt Mattis. Check him out. Link is going to be in the first comment below. We're going to do a 3-10 challenge. The person who pulls the best cards out of all 3 10s is going to get a bounty. So Matt has got his bounty going. I think he's got some 10s going on, and check out his video. He's going to show you what he's giving out as the bounty. At Hamuzi Show, however, we're going to bring it. We're going to make sure that the bounty is what somebody wants. So this is what we're going to have for the winner of the 10 battle. Not only that, Matt, but we watched your video and we know you don't have these. So we're going to add these to the bounty. But good luck, buddy. Alright guys, as I said, we're going to start with the first 10. It's going to be the Zapdos 10 from the 3-part series. Let's get this one open. We need a lot. We actually need a lot of cards still from Crown Zenith Galarian Gallery. Hopefully we'll win. Or hopefully we'll get something good for this video. Not sure if you all have seen the promo or not. That's the promo. These tins come with 5 packs each. There are 2 variations of this tin. There's this size, which comes with the 5 packs, and then they have the smaller size, which they call the international tin. Those come with 4 packs. Alright, let's get into it. As always, this is just fun and games, so good luck to Matt. We appreciate everything that he says and does on his channel and the shout outs. So shout out back to you, Matt. Really appreciate it. And we're glad to do this battle with you. Starting with the X cubes. Moga. Look at that. That is not one of the ones for the bounty. Not sure if you need it, but we'll add it to the bounty if we have to. Not bad. I think I have that card already though, so I don't mind putting it in the bounty. Another Chatot. Radiant Charizard. Let's go. That will go in our Radiant collection binder. I am trying to collect, I'm not sure if you guys all know this, the Radiant collection had Legendary Treasures had a Radiant collection. I think that was 32 cards. Starly, Scyther, Pokeball, Young Goose, Cherubi, Trekking Shoes, Volcarona. Wow. And then Generations has a Radiant collection. And then we have a few Radiant cards across the sets, right? I think across Brilliant Stars, Astro, Lost Origins, Silver Tempest, and Crown Zenith. I don't know, Brilliant Star maybe? So anyways, this Charizard will be going in the Radiant binder. This one, the good thing about this variation of Radiance is only 9 or 8. Giraffe. Let's just go to the name. Giraffe rig. W. Yo, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna win this or not. That Charizard is only like $13 right now.
Wrong.
Bring it on, baby. Gianna and Entei Hollow. Not too shabby. I mean, terrible too. Terrible team indeed. We are going to. We use easy play. I'm going to add Radiant Bizarre from Zenith. Entei from Crown Zenith. And now Gianna. GG's. I think I need that though. Wow, that Radiant Charizard dropped. The Hollow. Hello. I don't know. Let's see. Energy. Safe Crown Zenith. Well, there's two. Well, there are two variations. So this one would be actually Metal Energy Sword and Shield. There you go, Sword and Shield base. So Poochyena, Metal Energy, we're gonna change that to Reverse Hollow. That's considered a reverse for the energies. Reversed, 81 cents. What? Alright, so our total for round one is $8.76. Let's go. Make sure you check out Matt's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and tell us or predict who will win round one of this Crown Zenith 10 battle. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, we just want to send out a reminder and clear up a few things. I think people are a little confused in regards to the giveaway. We're showing you what you can potentially get for a 500 subscriber giveaway. Sorry if there was any confusion with our shorts earlier. I know I did just send out a little generic 500 subscriber giveaway at the end of the videos, but there you have it. Hopefully you guys can like, subscribe, and once you see the 500 sub video giveaway, go ahead and put a comment in that to get into that giveaway contest. Thanks again.